मैं फॉजल क्रीक वाटरफॉल ट्रेल आया हूँ। वैसे मेरे को शाश्वती दोनों को आना था, लेकिन सुबह कन्फ्यूजन हो गया। बहुत जगह ये लिखा हुआ है कि 10 माइल की हाइक है वन वे, एंड द अदर साइड you have to climb like almost 3000 feet and it's all exposed to the sun. So but on the contrary, ये भी लिखा हुआ है कि it's just an easy 2-mile walk to the waterfall from the parking lot. Actually, both informations are correct. If you got a parking permit, you can park in a nearby parking lot from the waterfall. If you don't have it, you have to park your vehicle way out near Pine, that's a city, and then you have to hike down from the mountain 10 miles, and it's completely exposed to the sun, and it's already 100 degrees over here. So, but I got the permit 2 weeks back, and we are supposed to do this hike, but I'm doing it alone today. Let's see how it is. Heading back now. I did a couple of jumps from the waterfall. I wanted to capture it on my GoPro, but first time waterfall, I lost my camera in the stream. Luckily, someone down the stream caught that camera. So eventually I had to do another second jump to record it on video. One lady, she was very generous to record it on her camera.